Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, high pressure will control the weather today with abundant sunshine and light winds, providing us with a very nice day for us here on Wednesday. But as we go into the end of the week, we're going to see a pretty strong area of low pressure bring some rain, maybe even heavy at times as we go late Thursday into Friday. Looking at the conditions from yesterday, we saw temperatures generally running in the 40s for daytime highs, 49 degrees at Richmond, 48 degrees here at Wallops. And then temperatures fell into the 20s last night for almost all locations with the exception of Washington, D.C., where we saw clear skies and calm winds providing a pretty good radiational cooling event for us across the region. 27 degrees the overnight low here at Wallops, all the way down to 23 degrees at Salisbury, Ocean City, and in Baltimore. Over the last 24 hours, no measurable precipitation, and as of 9 a.m. we see temperatures rebounding into the 30s. We were up to 38 degrees under partly sunny skies here at Wallops. This morning's balloon release showed the freezing level at the surface and our winds out of a westerly direction from the low levels of the atmosphere all the way up to around 25,000 feet, where we see those winds take on a little more of a southwesterly component, and seeing those winds increasing up near 30 knots as we go up to around 20 to 25,000 feet. Looking at our satellite radar composite, you can see a little bit of upper level cloudiness out there this morning, starting to stream in from the west, but no precipitation to be worried about, and we're going to see abundant sunshine through those upper level clouds as we go throughout the day today, and then an increase in cloudiness is expected as we go into the overnight hours tonight. Looking at our current surface analysis, that area of high pressure right over the Wallops region currently will continue to push a little farther to the east. As it does so, we're going to see those winds turn more out of a southerly direction as we go into the afternoon today, and we'll see that southerly flow continue out ahead of another area of low pressure that will be moving into the Wallops region as we go throughout the end of the week, and that will bring in a pretty good surge of warmer air as we go into the end of the week with those temperatures well above normal as we go into Thursday and Friday. So looking at our forecast maps here for the next couple of days, you can see by later this evening that high pressure well off the coast, southerly flow will be moving through the area, and we're going to see light winds in the evening hours tonight. As we get into the early portion hours of Thursday, we're going to see a warm front begin to take shape. That will move across the region as we go into the Thursday evening time frame. As you can see in the deep south, an area of low pressure beginning to develop with heavy rain stretching across the southeastern United States by Thursday evening. We'll start to see some light rain showers here at Wallops by the Thursday evening time frame, and then as we go into the overnight period after midnight, we'll see those showers become more consistent, and we'll see possibly some moderate to heavy showers by late Thursday night into early Friday morning. As we go into the evening hours of Friday, you can see the bulk of that precipitation moves off to our northeast, and we'll likely see the rain shower activity come to an end by Friday evening. But after all is said and done, from Thursday into Friday, we could see 1 to 2 inches of rain here across the Wallops region. Taking a look at our short-term high-res model here, you can see by the morning hours of Thursday, we start to see a few scattered light rain showers begin to approach the Wallops region. So we do have a slight chance of a shower or two early in the day by the late morning hours. And then as we go into the afternoon, you can see here as I pause it at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, some of those rain showers becoming a little bit more moderate in intensity and really starting to overspread the region at that point. So it looks like by the late afternoon into the evening hours, pretty good bet we'll see rain across the region here at Wallops. Those southeasterly winds will start to increase Thursday night as well, and by the time we get into Friday morning early, we'll start to see some of those rain showers heavy at times throughout the area, with those winds possibly gusty as we get some of those heavier rain showers into our area. So could see winds up around 35 to 40 miles per hour with those gusts Friday morning as the heaviest rain shower activity comes through the area. This would be at 7 a.m. You can see some of the higher DBZs showing up at that time on the forecast radar here, where we could see the heaviest of our precipitation during that Friday morning time frame. Also, we're going to see a little bit of instability from the south begin to work its way up. Can't rule out an embedded thunderstorm with these showers, but I do believe that will be less than 15% chance. we go through the day on Friday. Again, those showers should begin to push off to the north and the east, and the bulk of the precipitation should be coming to an end by late in the afternoon on Friday. But it will be a pretty good time frame of some heavier precipitation during the first half of the day on Friday. So taking a look at our next 24 hours, where we can expect pretty nice conditions to continue here at Wallops. No threat for precipitation or lightning or any other real hazards here as we track a green board here for the next 24 hours. And as we look at our terminal forecast, we should stay with VFR conditions through that period as well. But as we get into the mid to late morning hours of Thursday, we'll really start to see those clouds increasing, becoming overcast by late Thursday morning, and then again that chance of a light rain shower or two potentially by late Thursday morning as well. Those rain chances will increase as we go throughout the day, becoming likely during the evening hours. We'll see a high of 58 degrees, and then temperatures really not dropping at all Thursday night. We'll actually see those temperatures rise a few degrees as we go into the Thursday night time frame, rising to around 60 degrees after midnight. And then Friday we'll see cloudy skies with rain likely. That's when we'll likely see our heaviest shower activity will be early Friday morning, with a slight chance of an embedded thunderstorm as well. Again, those thunderstorm chances look to be less than 15% at this time. And with those heavier showers, we'll also see a period of gusty winds as well out of the south to southeast direction during that Friday morning time frame. Could see those winds as high, gusting as high as 35 to 40 miles per hour with those heavier rain showers. Look for a daytime high on Friday of 62 degrees. So for the next 7 days, looking at that pretty strong area of low pressure moving through the region during the late Thursday into Friday time period. Again, those showers beginning to become more scattered in nature during the afternoon of Friday. Heaviest rain shower activity should be Friday morning. And then as we go into Saturday, we'll start to see the clouds decreasing in the morning, and looking at a pretty nice weekend shaping up for us, as we'll see temperatures right around normal for this time of year by the end of the weekend, but still tracking temperatures a little above normal during the day on Saturday, with that high temperature of 54. 48 degrees, your expected high temperature on Sunday, and then mostly sunny skies expected to continue as we get into the beginning of next week. And right now, looking at the probability of a dry Christmas Eve and a dry Christmas with mostly sunny skies and those temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. I'm going to wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.